If enough escrow officers give you 5 to 10 closings a month, you can make 6 figures. That's the key to making money in a down market cycle. In a down market cycle, it's about getting 5 or 10 closings a month from one escrow officer, times that by 10. In an up market cycle, you can get 20 signings from one escrow officer. In a down market cycle, your job is to get 5 to 10 closings from 10 different EOs to get you your 6-figure income. You got to adapt and pivot in the times. Every market in America has market cycles, ups, downs, flat, up, down, flat. But instead of being discouraged that one escrow officer isn't giving you 30 closings, be like, sweet, this escrow officer is giving me 3 to 4 a month. This escrow officer is giving me 3 to 4 a month. This escrow officer is giving me 3 to 4 a month. Now, collectively, you're making your 6 figures or your $5,000 a month. So think about getting a little from a lot, and you're going to make a ton of money.